Hi guys, Angela here, Angela Mutavi Art, and in today's video I want to continue with the swipe and spin technique that I just started. Yeah, this is gonna be my second painting of swipe and spin. I'm so obsessed with it. The first time my previous video, if you watched it, it turned out wonderful. The colors were brilliant, beautiful. So I'm gonna try it again and see how it turns out, but I will use different colors. And again, I always incorporate gold in my paintings, so that's like my signature paint. So yeah, let's I'll bring you down and I will show you the colors I'll be using. And this time I'm using 12 by 14 canvas, and let's see how it turns out. Thank you for being here. Okay guys, so this time what I did was I mixed these colors because I had some paints that were left in the cup and I didn't want to throw them out. So what I did was I mixed violet magenta. This is blue green and a crimson red with violet. A little bit of a green with yellow. My gold that is not mixed with anything. So this here is a mixture of Vela blue, ultramarine blue, and Mars black. I'm going to use this to swipe. I pop the bubbles with this is the torch that I used to pop the bubbles. And so let's go ahead and get started. I've already poured the white base on the canvas, so I'm gonna do, like I said, I mixed these paints and I hope they come out okay. So now we're just pouring down our lines, that way we can go ahead and swipe over them. And this time I want to add a little bit more, that way when I swipe, the swipe kind of goes all the way in all the colors, because I noticed that some colors did not come out towards the end of the swipe. So black oxide I'm going to use as my cell activator. And again, I don't want to put too much because I don't want, there we go, I don't want the whole painting to be black. like it is done. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, here it is on a cleaner surface, but yeah, I'm actually starting to like it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Really pretty. I'm liking the dark colors with the green and the gold. Really, really pretty. This is the wet result. So again, I will show you the dry result when it dries. Okay, great. See you in a bit. Okay, my friends, here is the dried result of this beautiful painting. We still have the cells here, beautiful cells that we got when we swiped. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, comment, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.